So we just let the stew. We got Bibibop right now and shit. Shit like that crazy. I didn't already had it before, so I already know it's good. It's good. You ever tried their little teas over there? You ever tried their little teas over there? Huh? You need to? I ain't never tried. I don't think I ever tried. I don't know. I might have, bro. I think I tried a pomegranate one, but I ain't really like it though. I ain't really like it. You said what? Oh yeah, nah. Hell yeah. That's all. Like if I'm gonna go somewhere, I'm gonna go to a certain place like where it ain't dirty and shit. Like it's fresh. Yeah, like you said, organic. Yeah. No kizzy, no kizzy. I'm trying to see what side. You said what? You said what?
They got all kind of shit. Jeans.
What? She speaking Spanish? I'm not gonna understand that shit. I'm not gonna understand that, bro. I am not gonna understand that, bro. Bro, I wish, bro, when I was in Spanish class, bro, I was cheating. I was not doing my homework. No, bro. That shit was hard. I mean, some of it was easy, but like, bro, if you ain't study for the quizzes, you try to do them quizzes, boy. You're crazy, bro. Okay. Ooh. I'm trying to see, hold on. Bro, I ain't never seen that. I'm about to look real quick. I said I'm about to look real quick. I ain't about to take long. Yeah. Chicken, spicy chicken, sweet spicy chicken. I want a bowl though. I know I want a bowl. I'm tweaking. Is it just two sizes? Is it just two sizes? Right. Three sizes? Okay. Okay. All right. Now you cool. You cool. So is the original one like the biggest one? Type?
Yeah, that's the biggest one.
Okay. All right. Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna definitely get some broccoli. Yeah, I want to buy the original.
The original.
Yeah.
All right. What would you like to start with as a base? We have the noodles, the salad, regular purple rice, canned mixed bases.
Say it again.
White purple rice, noodles, cooked green salad.
I want white rice.
White rice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I don't want them noodles. Them noodles look. Why them noodles look so? I don't know, bro. They look
Black beans,
weird.
potatoes, beans, sprouts, and broccoli.
You said black beans,
Black beans, potatoes,
broccoli,
sprouts,
broccoli. Yeah.
Just broccoli. All right, have a great day. How's my first off as a base?
Hold on. I got sesame kid. Hold on, I'm trying to see. Oh no. No, I didn't say I wanted it. I was just saying what they got. Hold on. I was just saying what y'all got. Hold on. Let me get some cheese. For sure. Get some cheese for sure. Then can I get some
Looks like you need black beans, potatoes, beans, sprouts, and broccoli.
I don't need nothing else for real.
Black beans.
Eggs.
That's it for you? You have 3 eggs.
Ooh. I get some chicken. Let me get that regular chicken. Yeah, that regular chicken tough. Oh, that's the go. Y'all got sauces? Is y'all Bibibop sauce good? Which one the best one to you?
Most people like yum yum and teriyaki together.
Teriyaki?
The most favorite.
Oh, I get the yum yum sauce. Yeah. Yum yum sauce.
Drinks for you, one?
You said what?
Any drinks?
Any drinks?
Is that for you?
Nah, I'm good. To go. And I'm getting that one too, though. I'm getting that right there. Yeah. You can just put both of them. Yeah. What they got there? Oh, you got rice for real. You got rice for real. Hold on. Peace.
You don't want to put meat? No meat?
You got it. Go ahead.
You're good on that.
How much is that gonna be?
1728.
You said 1728.
So follow the instructions on the keypad and I'll let you put that in.
All right. All right. That's really good. Please wait. Yeah. But what if it said decline, bruh? What if it said decline? Would you laugh at me, bruh? What if it said decline? Would you laugh at me, bruh? You wouldn't? If your shit decline, I'll be weak as fuck. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing, bruh. We all got them times where we be like, man, you know what? Fuck it, you know? Them humbling times and shit. We down here, By UD and shit. Just chilling, you know. Got the Bibibop in the bag. You feel me? Bibibop. I used to put, I used to mix my shrooms with these bitches, bro. First time I ate this. First time I ate Bibibop with Jordan. Not Jordan. I'm cutting that out. First time I ate Bibibop with 303s. We went to my bro house. Went to my bro Chase house, and we all tripped off of him. I'm talking about I had like a 3.5. A 3.5 or some shit.
I know he was off the joint.
Nigga, I was up there, boy. I was shit. I don't know where I was at. I couldn't land though. I know that for sure. I could not land. I feel like that was like when we was in there. I was productive. Feel me? We was producing. But I'm gonna get back to writing though. Even though I freestyle, I know I'm gonna write for sure. Just to feel me. All right, they don't give a fuck. They gon' ride that bitch fast as hell. Calm connect. Oh yeah, that's what I need right there. G-Wagon, baby. It's Tesla hard too, though. That's real hard. What if bro sitting there like, bro, why the fuck you record my car, bro? Why is you record my car, bro? Like, you see the front of my... Why is you doing that, bro? People is going... Bro, why is you doing that, bro? Like, damn, bro, you pissing me off. You making me mad right now, bro. No kizzy, though. No kizzy. Real shit. Since... Oh, never mind. We got the camera. Oh, shit. But, I'm about to say... We can do a mukbang for real. Get high, feel me? Do a mukbang. Smoke. Yeah, no. We definitely gonna smoke though. Like we can get high, do a mukbang, just talk about some, you feel me?
I'm trying
to some chill shit.
I need to get a new film.
You need to get more film?
Damn.
What?
I was trying to look fishy for my film. I was supposed to wear my little glasses and shit.
Your little glasses? I mean, we can go back to your crib. We can go back smoking and eat from your crib.
Oh, you can?
Why can't we? God said we can't. God said we could. I mean, shit.
We on the earth.
We on the earth, man. We can do whatever we want.
We some fucking Martians.
We can do whatever we want, bro. We on the earth, man.
Nah, it was some bad bitches in there, though.
I can't say nothing because I got a girl, so. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But on your part, though, I feel you, though. Yeah, on your part, I feel you, though. But yeah, I can't say nothing. I got a girl.
Somebody,
shit, I don't see them. Good shit, good eye, bro. Good eye. No cap. You ever had a smash burger?
I thought you was gonna say, did I ever get in a wreck? I was gonna say, hell yeah.
I've been in the wreck too. I've been in the wreck before too, bruh. Remember when I was in like 7th grade? Me and we was driving somewhere, bruh. It was me and Josh, bruh. It was damn near leaving my mom's house.
Josh
went out. He is? I don't know. I mean, he probably got a couple, but I ain't talked to him in a minute. It's been a minute since I talked to him. No cap. It's been a real minute, man. We in the, we just cruising out here, man. Outside. In the city. Outside, man. That's what I gotta try right there, bro. Hit a pit, bro. They told me get hit. I gotta try it, bro. They told me get hit, so I gotta try it.
Damn, they building shit like Minecraft out here on God,
It's not for real. I couldn't be, bro. I could not do construction, bro.
That's where that.
I could not do construction,
That's
bro.
where that bag is.
Construction,
Yeah.
bro. I can't do it, bro.
Why can't you do it?
Bro, it was a video of some dude hanging off a crane, bro.
Hanging out.
No cap, because they lifted him up, and he had to hold on, so he was in the middle of like the air, just holding on, like that nigga had so much willpower. I know that nigga wanted to let go. He was like, nah, I can't do it. I know nigga's hands was sweaty as hell. That boy was holding tight. When I looked at it, I was like, damn.
Nah, I'm scared of heights, low-key.
You scared of heights for real?
Low-key.
So you don't ride roller coasters?
Nah, I ride roller coasters, but I be having fun with that shit.
I was about to say, you scared of heights like
Yeah,
20 stories type shit?
The roller coaster, that adrenaline.
For
I
real.
love that adrenaline.
He said, I love that adrenaline, no cap.
I'm a fire sign, so.
I don't know what. I think I'm a water sign. Is a
you
Pisces a water sign?
I think so.
Yeah, I think Pisces a water sign. I don't even be getting all that though, I ain't even gonna lie.
Yeah.
But I know it do be correlating with how you is type shit.
Yeah,
and it's crazy though, because they really got that where everybody can see, so everybody can see what each sign is type shit. Like,
I'm about to go watch some last Avatar Airbender.
Nigga, I remember I was watching that shit in college, bro. I was watching The Legend of Korra though.
Oh, you on Legend of Korra?
You watch that shit? You didn't watch that shit?
I watched
The Legends of Korra?
Top. I didn't get to that though.
That shit went crazy. Okay. But you said you started where at?
I started at the top.
The top?
Like the very beginning type shit. But I didn't get into the core shit yet.
Right.
So I'm pretty sure it's a little bit better. So I definitely gotta check it out.
Oh yeah. Why could it be so cold out here, bro? Wow.
It's cold as these niggas' hearts. These niggas' hearts is cold.
Okay. Where the clear fruits at, bro? I need one.
I don't know.
I need one, bro.
It's a lot of people standing outside. Made me grateful for having a whip and having a crib.
For real.
And having a bitch.
That's what I'm
having
saying.
Some chips.
Oh, you still rapping shit? Why you rapping that shit too legit? I don't know. Me and you do not mix. Never mind. We mix like some spit. Oh, never mind. I ain't mean to say that. That was weird. That was some weird bars. I might take that out. I might keep that in. They might fuck with it. I don't know, but come on, bro. Like, they got this shit. I don't know what the hell is going on, bro. What the hell? The Armory. Nah, for real, bro. I be waking up now. I be like, bro, I'm thankful to be waking. I'm glad my eyes open. Another day, bro, to do something. Yeah. No cap.
You seen what type of time we was on?
Huh?
You seen what type of time we was on?
You seen what type of time we was on?
Yeah,
Boy.
2 bangers I played.
Went in there. Ooh, bro, them Range Rovers be so hard, bro.
They so spacious too.
They got paint. They got art. I ain't gonna lie. They got art and Dayton though.
Yeah, Mr. Picasso.
Mr. Picasso, Mr. Picasso, Mr. Picasso. Mr. Picasso, I'll paint my picture. Quit playing.
I smoking that shit to the liver.
Ooh, you smoking that shit to the liver. My bad. My ex, she cheated on me, so I dissed her. Ooh, okay.
She trying to type out. She a quitter.
Ooh, okay. I gotta go off that. She trying to top out. She a quitter. I'm gonna keep the trash in the car. I can't lit outside.
Chill in the car, lit outside. Limit my life.
Okay. Limit. Ooh, no. Go ahead.
Smoking that gas tastes like lemon lime.
Ooh, smoking that gas is like lemon lime. I got some drink. It's called lemon ice. But.
And I told her to suck my dick with some ice.
Ooh, with some ice? Damn.
With some ice.
I hope she didn't call you a much like Ice Spice. Oh,
Lunch,
come on.
nigga,
Come on now.
She
Come on now.
I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying.
Gotta keep going.
What'd you say?
You gotta keep going. Red light.
Nah,
Hey, bro, these nice. I ain't even gonna lie.
I know.
Them fishy.
But they gonna be
Okay.
like 1,200 each.
1,200 each, man.
Months.
Man, we finna start.
What the deal?
Niggas finna start going so crazy, bro. Not even gonna be worrying about shit for real, bro. So I just keep working, bro. Fall in love with the process of this shit. Cause everything ain't gonna come fast as hell, bro. It take time. Beautiful things take time.
Right.
You know, to find yourself, it take time. Okay. Okay.
We in this little ass city and shit. We finna be in LA, nigga.
LA, yeah. I'm trying to branch out. I ain't trying to be here forever. Okay.
I miss New York so much, bro.
I know you was teed there, bro.
Man,
I seen that vlog. That vlog was
As soon as I came
teed.
back, bitch, I wanted to cry.
You wanted to leave again?
I know, cause it was crazy. Cause it was like when I was out there for a little minute,
Mm-hmm.
and I was getting homesick than a bitch.
Mm-hmm.
You feel me?
You don't care if I put this bitch on?
Nah, I don't give a fuck.
Okay.
But I was out there, I was getting homesick than a motherfucker.
Mm-hmm.
And then as soon as I came back, I was like, damn, I want to go back. Fuck this shit.
Oh, for real, bro. Ain't nobody trying to.
I touched down in Trotwood. I was like, man, fuck this shit. Ain't nothing going on here.
Nothing, bro.
We in the middle of the trenches with it. You feel me? I was just out there with the updated architecture.
Updated
different
architecture.
cultures.
Different culture, different vibe, different energy.
Spanish bitches, Asian bitches. I don't mean to call him a bitch. Okay.
Yes, he do.
Hey.
Cause he wouldn't have said it if he didn't mean it.
No.
He wouldn't have said it. No, I was just playing. I was just fucking around, bro.
Feminine, you feel me?
Yeah, nah, I feel
Divine feminine, you feel me?
Divine femininity. Divine femininity. No, I'm just playing.
I'm not trying to justify myself, but I'm just saying.
He just saying.
Divine feminine. It was a lot of different cultures. We had that Spanish. We had the mamacitas.
Why he talking like that, bro? Hey, he got me weak as fuck.
We had the mamacitas.
The mamatitas. Bro, I bet you.
I said, oh, mamacita.
I bet you. I bet you can't do this accent though. I'm gonna try my Indian accent.
Let me see.
Try my Indian accent.
Let me see.
I need more blues. I need more blues. I need more blues, baby. Come here. Come on, get out my store. Get out my store. Damn, that shit ass. I ain't gonna lie. That was so terrible. Like, I just tried to do that. That shit was so terrible.
What about your Jamaican shit? Jamaican.
Jamaican. Oh, yeah. Bamba Clyde. Rasta. Man. Yeah, I can do that for sure. He's stupid. Nah, I can do that for sure, bro. I can do that for sure. You say you can kick with the Jamaicans? I'm already knowing, bro. They be smoking that. Cause I smoke too, so that's my type of party. No cap. I be drinking, but I don't drink like that. I really don't mess with drinking like that. I'd rather smoke for real.
The only reason why I drink, cause sometimes I be too tensed up and shit.
Too tensed up, just to get loose type shit.
Yeah, I like to get loose, but I'm thinking about replacing the alcohol with act. You feel me?
Oh. They better not text me for nothing. Damn, that's crazy. Like a clear fruit type, bro. I'm at the gas station and shit. You know I need something to drink. You feel me? I need something to drink. Yeah, they got the Waikiki. Oh, they got all the flavors in the bitch. Bro, where is it? Oh, yeah, here it goes. Here. Not drinking very close. doing? Good, good. They got all this shit. You said what? $8.99. You said $8.99? Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Processing. Processing. Alright. Processing. I appreciate you, bro. Enjoy the rest of your day, man. Thanks. Yep. All right, there, man. Ooh. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's a beautiful day. But that's all I be drinking, man. For real. Some water. Some water. All I be drinking for real, bro. No lie. No lie. No lie. Oh, shit. That boy going crazy, man. Alright. Snuggle up and shit.
No, some shit. Hold on, we festive as fuck. We festive.
Hell no.
Said we gonna watch Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer next.
We gonna watch the Polar Express.
Get some hot chocolate.
Turn the heat on. Turn the heat on, cause you know it's gonna be cold.
Cold as fuck.
Turn the heat on, bruh.
Tell her what you doing over there. Come over here.
We gotta be together. We gotta put our heat together. Body heat is shit. Feel me? It's that real gas though.
Let me get my recording shit going real quick.
I'm so glad that like you gave me some gas. This is real gas, bro. Okay. What's your TikTok? I just made one, but I gotta start posting shit on there.
You can go up on that motherfucker too. That's the one thing I like about it. You can just go up on that bitch. Like you can really go up.
On TikTok?
Yeah. Like
I might start posting funny shit because I'm low key funny on the funny side. Low key.
Yeah.
I'm low key funny. But
you got a personality for it.
yeah.
I'm just that guy. I be bouncing off a nigga's energy.
No, I'm already knowing.
Yeah.
I'm already knowing, bro.
You bring that motherfucking match, bitch. I'ma set that bitch on fire.
Okay. This Bibibop finna smack, bruh. It's still back there. Hold on.
That's what I'm saying. I'm not down.
Hold on.
Hey, let me show y'all what a Bibibop bowl is supposed to look like.
I was gonna roll y'all. I was gonna roll it. Real quick, but shit. If y'all never had Bibibop, go get it. I ain't gonna lie. My shit look. My shit look fresher. Ooh, shit. Ooh, hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. They gotta look at this. Hold on now. I feel like pressure. He said he gonna show out what a Bibibop bowl supposed to look like. You feel me? I don't think he got no meat in there. That boy really a vegan. That boy a vegan. He said, quit playing. What y'all got in there? I said, what you all got in there?
Yeah, let me show
What's
y'all
all
real
in there?
quick. When they be opened up, they make sure they was tight sealed and that bitch got a damn near break that motherfucker. But you know what I'm saying? They break it the bank.
Oh yeah. Hold on.
It's that motherfucking slap.
You got the corn.
I'm gonna slap this shit.
Then you got the what's that purple shit?
What's that purple shit? I don't know.
You don't know. How you don't know?
We gonna
I see the
call it-
carrots. I see the pineapples. I see the kale. All that. You got the kale. Got the cucumbers. You got the berries. No, them beans. Got the beans. Okay, then. Bro, I did not mean to have my phone that close to your food, bro. Like,
cool.
I did not mean to do that, bro. Damn, I'm trying to. Damn. Ooh, shit. Ooh. I'm gonna let y'all mouth get watery for a second, type shit. You know, it's okay. And if y'all watching right now, I might as well just go get some. To be honest,
It's kind of weird. It's like you got everything
really
that I
hit.
didn't get.
Really hit. You said what?
You got everything that I didn't get.
I got everything that you didn't get.
That I didn't get.
That is crazy. We really got the opposite of both.
The opposite.
No cap. Real shit. But this shit finna smack, bro. If I had some shrooms, man, I'll put them in here. Whoa. Am I allowed to say that? No, it's fine. All right, I'm about to put this bitch up. I'm about to roll this. Damn, bro. Don't start, bro. Don't start, bro. Do not start, bro. Do not start.
You trying to let me roll that motherfucker?
Oh, you wanna roll?
Yeah, I'll roll that bitch.
Shit. Are you the pearl? You the pearl king?
Bro, I'm the Pearl King. I wouldn't even be mentioning it if I
Right,
wasn't.
All right, go ahead. I already got some. A little nuggets in there.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
You nigga letting the bag fall on him and shit.
You feel me?
Bro, hold on, bro.
This is nice. This is real nice.
You know what's crazy, bro? We don't have no silverware. We don't got no silverware. I just looked in that bag.
I got you. I'll run in the house real quick.
Oh yeah, bet. I'll break the weed down in there, man.
For sure.
Okay. We ain't got no. I'm like, damn, how the hell we ain't got no?
That's what's hanging.
That shit crazy, bro. I need to stop cussing, bro. I cuss too much.
You don't worry about that.
I really need to stop cussing, bro. I cuss way too much, bro. Alright. I need that clear fruit. Damn. I feel like I lost my voice. That's why I sound like that. May sound different. Berry Delight. Berry Delight. That's what y'all need. Y'all need that Berry Delight. Berry Delight. No cap. I don't even know why I'm yelling so loud. I'll be yelling. I'm sorry. Like, if y'all seeing this, I'm like, bro, he's annoying. He be yelling. I'm sorry. Like, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Them type vlogs. Even though I ain't even drop a vlog. I was been supposed to drop a vlog, but I ain't drop a vlog because the video messed up. Like, it like duplicated the whole video, bro. And I was trying to edit it. I was messing up. But I'm gonna get it right though. I'm gonna get it right. I need to stop slacking and start editing it for real. And get straight to it so it can already be done. That's how I need to start moving, bro. So it can already be done. So I ain't gotta worry about it no more. So it's in the back of my head. But unfinished business I gotta do.